Well, hey everybody, it's Eric again with Eric's Garage, coming at you again from Drew's Garage today, which is really freaking cool. And I kind of just dropped in on him, but he was really generous, very kind enough to let me shoot a couple cool videos of his cars here. He has a Drew's Garage in Mesa, Tempe. Anyhow, I have a 1968 Charger right there behind me. See it right there? We're going to be doing a video of that here very shortly. All right, thanks guys. In the meantime, drop like stove, bitches. Bye.
Please, I need a shot and I'm begging up my knees. The way to fight is one battle at a time. You may have won today, but I'll see you at the finish line. All is fair in love and war. You pull no brakes when you're riding to the core. All is fair in love and war. You best be aware, 'cause all is fair in love and war. If you can't stand the heat, don't come in the kitchen. Bring you pain is my new addiction. Been the other way around before too long. Now you're gonna find out what it's like to be wrong. Well, all is fair in love and war. You pull no brakes when you're riding to the core. All is fair in love and war. You best be aware, 'cause all is fair in love and war. All is fair in love and war. Where you put no brakes when you're riding to the core. Yeah. All is fair in love and war. You best be aware, 'cause all is fair. All is fair in love and war. You pull no brakes when you're riding to the core. Yeah. All is fair in love and war.
Well, I'm here with Drew from Drew's Garage. We're driving in a 1968 Charger, and this thing is absolutely bad to the bone. This car has a twin turbo Viper engine in it. And Drew, how much horsepower?
We're putting about 780 to the ground right now. At pump gas.
780 to the ground on pump gas. Wow. we get a little tool here in this car. In other words, drive around town a little bit. It's going to be bad to the bone. Look at the view from here. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it smiling. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Classic muscle, modern muscle engine in it. Does life get much better than that?
Not really.
Nope, it doesn't. Nope, nope.
Dependability, 800 plus horse.
Yep. Beautiful exterior, beautiful leather. The roof liner, headliner is even leather. Check this thing out, man. Gorgeous, gorgeous car.
How do you like the way it rides?
It rides like a dream.
That's the way it's supposed to.
It rides like a certain sleeper. What kind of suspension modification did you do to it?
Everything's all built custom for this car. All
Really?
built in the shop, yeah.
Wow. So it's all one-off stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Carrying the mail a little bit here. Again, another grin from this cat. This is way cool. This is how muscle cars are supposed to be driven, like they're muscle cars. It's not your mama's grocery getter.